Hello, we are going to see the film about Coco, a Mexican film that made for music. And actually, in the Mexican town San Sicily, there was Imelda and his husband and his daughter living together. Imelda's husband pursued music career, so he leaves the family. When she knows that he never comes back, she starts a shoe business, which Intel formed the family business of the family. So Imelda was from a generations with four generations later. On the house, there was a boy called Miguel, who often spends with their time with great grandmother Coco. Mikul always spends time with her great grandmother by enjoying with her and performing music. But other family members don't love music since Imelda husband loves music, leaves their family. So grand, uh, so his grandmother often hates the music and banned the music in the family, band music everywhere. The family is doing shoe business, making shoes, and Mikkel is inspired by the musician Ernesto Diallo, who was uh, uh, by watching his films, and later he was died in a performance stage where Bell falls on him. Bell falls on him. Since Ernesto Diallo is inspiring to him, he makes a guitar. During shoe cleaning with Mariacha, a man called Mariacha, mm, he cleans the shoes and hears that local competition is going to perform about a musician. So he asks Mikkel to perform since he is a musician. Musician can do whatever they want, right? Even though not considering his family. But Mariacha get beatings from his grandmother for telling that, and Mikkel plays with the guitar that he made on his own in the house, and going uh, on visiting the day of death, Miguel, the father says that he is going to be a shoemaker to the family, which itself irritate him, and tell to the family that he want to pursue the career music and hides the guitar. But on seeing the guitar, grandmother shut the guitar and broken it. Then Miguel often get to form the local competition. For the local competition, he asked a guitar from the common competitors. Nobody gives, so he goes to the graveyard where Ernesto Diallo was buried with his guitar. So he goes there and stealing the guitar of Ernesto Diallo, um, and he music when he performs the music, on turning back he sees that everybody who is death are in the form of skeleton with the dress on them. So Miguel reunites with his family, where they see twins, uh, Tio Berto and Tio Oscar, and Auntie Abitella and Papa Judio, and Freda Kahlo. They sees them, and along with his dog Tanty, he goes to the he crosses the bridge of death and sees the city of death with them, and crosses the bridges. On visiting them, he sees someone who doesn't have the passport to go around. Later, he found that great grand Imaldo shouting at the uh, the inspector for not permitting her to cross the bridge. So it was revealed that Mikul has the photo of Imaldo from the picture he take. He has the photo, and to cross to back to the living world, he has to have the blessings from the ancestors. Uh, so that he can return to the world. Since he left the uh, dead, dead people's think he is cursed like this. So Imelda gives him blessing with a flower and with the condition that he should not never perform music again. On returning, seeing the guitar, Nicole performs the guitar from it. Miguel performs the guitar and returning to the city of death again. Miguel tells his great grandmother that he wants the blessings of Ernesto Diallo. Since he was not, it was found on the photo that great Ernesto Diallo's guitar in it. Whereas the great grandfather picture is missing and Coco and Imelda picture only seen. So he tells that guessing that Ernesto Diella is his great grandfather, he visits. He going to visit there. On getting irritated, Imelda asks for the spirit teller, the tiger, to follow Mikkel. Nicole on going to Arnoldo Diallo's mansion found woman who is a art stage performer who performs the stage performance of Ernesto Dula that's going to be in the night. But he had to get the Ernesto Diallo's blessing before the sunrise. Mm, then he founds Hector, who wants to see the daughter before she was before she forget him. So he want to see his daughter by crossing the bridge, but no photo since outside in the living world. So Hector cannot cross the bridge. Nicole and the film does ask Anna to meet with Ernesto Diallo. So, on seeing that after crossing the bridge, they perform Hector friend who asked him to perform the music. Surprised by Hector knows the music, he performs for his amigo for only once. And after hearing the music, he slowly fades away, which is said that he is completely forgotten in the living world. So on seeing that Hector also closely weakened, which Hector tells he was forgotten by her daughter. So he have to get his picture to the living world. Coco Miguel makes deal with Hector to meet Ernesto Diallo. On their Great Tower of Ernesto Diallo is performed in the local competition. Winners are allowed to meet Ernesto Diallo. So to perform in that competition, Hector gives a guitar to Miguel and asks him to perform. And seeing other performance, uh, Miguel become afraid of them, so he didn't want to perform. But Hector himself motivates him to perform. The Pink People performs well, and and Miguel sings the song Poco Loco along with his friend Hector. So you can visit in YouTube about the song Poco Loco, which is fine and very good. So both are thankful, and Hector finds that other family members are there. Since Miguel told Ernesto Diallo is only his family member, so he have to get him a blessing. Since Hector sees the other family members, ask him to join to the family, but Miguel breaks the deal and gives the photo back to Hector so that he can join along with the Ernesto Diallo. Hector then goes, Nicole, when Hector goes side by side, Miguel goes to Ernesto Diallo function. Miguel goes to Ernesto Diallo. Meanwhile, is interrupted by Imelda telling that she also know about the music and knows about the singing. But Miguel asked her to leave him so that he can go and meet Ernesto Diallo. So on the way back to the securities do not allow Miguel to the function. So he asked the band Pink Band, which actually win the local competition. And he visits the inside the Ernesto Diallo's building and performs the song of Remember Me and joins with Ernesto Diallo. Both are become friends and he recognizes him as great grandson and and allow him to see what in the living world gives him and see the things around him and recognizes him and says that in the film of heaven and earth where Ernesto Diallo is passing by his front. Um, then soon after which Hector comes and sees Ernesto Diallo. Both of them confront each other, where it was revealed that both Hector and Ernesto Diallo friends as first during the initial musical career. Soon the fame is well. Hector chooses to see his family, whereas Ernesto Diallo wants his songs written by Hector. Uh, because Ernesto Diallo don't know about writing songs, so as to steal his songs, he poisons Hector before he leaves by giving a drink. After giving the drink, he was abdominal pain was there and slowly makes him tired and feel asleep, which kills Hector, so he cannot make to the family. Since by this coincidence, Mikul comes to know that Hector is great great grandfather, not Ernesto Diallo, and uh, Hector also tells that Remember Me song was written for his daughter Coco, so that he remembers before leaving, he performs for her daughter once, and after knowing that Ernesto put them in the prison where not found by other people. So both of them know that they are relatives. They perform a singer which Dantin follows and see them, and after which the soul spirit tiger comes and rescues them along with Imelda. Imelda first doesn't want to help Hector, but as they say that Ernesto killed the family, so she want to keep back the photo to the hell and not Hector to forgive Hector because since he never returned to the family, but she then knows that he was killed by Ernesto Diallo. So he helped her and Miguel to get to the photo and bring the blessings to the living world. And after that, Miguel sees that Dante became a soul spirit soul spirit which allows the souls to travel between the worlds. And afterwards, they plan to Ernesto Diallo performance to interrupt him, and after which the photo of Hector is used with Ernesto Diallo. The plans to get it on of the photo. So in the performance, Imelda tells that Imelda threatens Mr. Ernesto Diallo for killing his husband and ask for the photo and takes the photo back from the husband. But Ernesto don't want to give the photo as he only become fame and Hector credits are forgotten. So he want to takes the credit from him and performs which Imelda goes to the stage accidentally and performs to sing sings and after which Ernesto Viola joins with her for taking the photo of Hector. After forms of collision of events and fighting, Hector photo is fall into river so that he cannot take it back, and the tiger for his mistake, other people comes to know that Ernesto Diallo has killed Hector for his music and take his credits. So other people hate, and the tiger comes here, kicks him back to the well, where the bell on him fall on his spirit, and other people become hated by that. After which Miguel gets the blessing and goes back to the world where Hector is forgotten by the daughter Coco. So he tries to remember Hector by singing the song Remember Me, her, which makes her recognize Miguel, and tells that she shares the performance along with Miguel, and tells that he remembers his father Hector, and asks his they ask his grandmother about what happens, and all become happy as Coco remembers barely everyone, and gives Nicole the photo tear from Hector photo tearing from the whole family photo. Back with the photo rejoins Hector face rejoins with the family. After a year, Nicole Nicole and his new sister Fernanda sees the family photo where Nicole tells the family members, and Hector also gets the pass to cross the bridge along with the family, and Coco becomes dead, and the new sister was named as Coco, and Nicole performs reminder me in the house where the day of death, so they form. So they form all the family members along with the dead members become happy. Uh, since they cannot see him, they feel him, and become the day of death. Remember me, all become happy, and this brings the end of the film Coco, which is a good film and a musical film created by Pixar, and a good film which tells about musicians and the dead people's other city, and about the skeletons and the people. And this comes the end of the movie, and a good movie it is. Please like, share, and subscribe.